ना मिल पाए मुझे कभी किसी भी तरह की खुशी ढूंढूं बस मैं एक नया ठिकाना।
शादी के बाद यूजुअली लोग हनीमून पे जाते हैं, बट बिफोर ही कुड डू दैट हम ले आए हैं इनको आपकी स्क्रीन्स पे। यस फोक्स, वी आर हैंगिंग आउट विद मानु टुडे। लेट्स गो। How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you so much. So, congratulations on two things, both your शादी and your new album.
Thank you so much.
शादी के बाद आपका पहला इंटरव्यू है।
Yes.
How is married life treating you so far? और अभी तक आपने शादी के बारे में, शादीशुदा जिंदगी के बारे में क्या सीखा है?
I think it's too soon to say कि कुछ सीख लिया उस सेंस में, अभी तो ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ. But yeah, हम लोगों का निकाह happened in December. But me and my wife have been together for like 7-8 years. Like we met in uni और तब से हम लोग साथ ही हैं. So I mean, yeah, I feel like I'm finally at peace now.
Which of your tracks is your wife's favorite?
I think you'd have to ask her. Most of them are about her, especially the happy ones. But I don't know. I think you would have to ask her. But I hope it's Savera these days.
तू मेरी आंखों का सवेरा कैसे ना हूँ मैं तेरा तुझसे ही हो शुरू अब है सुबह।
This album was a wedding gift to your wife. Which track would you dedicate to her?
I think like a lot of these songs are about her. Like for example, Tarane was like the first song that I ever wrote for her, and this was like when we had Abhi Abhi Hum Log, we had just like sort of I don't know, met each other. So we weren't even together back then. So I think probably that, and I think one of the more recent ones would be Savera. But it's not a wedding present to her, it's more a wedding present to me, myself.
Okay, did your wife influence your music in any way?
I mean, yeah, she's been like my number one supporter throughout. Like she's known me from a time when I didn't, like nothing was happening for me. So obviously, I think she's had a huge role to play in that sense, for
And
sure.
talking about your debut album,
Yes.
how are you feeling about it, and what are the responses you've been getting so far?
I'm feeling good. Honestly, it's a strange thing because I put out the album and then I was super busy with the wedding, so I've been really distracted. I think up now that I finally have some time to myself, so I'm giving the album some attention as well. But honestly, like I don't know how to judge the response क्योंकि मतलब मैंने कभी इस तरह से इतनी बड़ी एल्बम निकाली नहीं या प्रॉपर कोई एल्बम निकाली नहीं, और पाकिस्तान में वैसे भी बहुत कम लोग ही एल्बम्स निकालते हैं. तो आई डोंट रियली नो व्हाट टू कंपेयर इट टू बी एबल टू से कि लाइक अच्छी जा रही है या बुरी जा रही है. बट आई थिंक द मेन थिंग दैट आई एम एंजॉयिंग द मोस्ट इज़ कि एवरी टाइम someone talks to me about the album, someone puts up a story or something, it's always a different song. I mean, it's like a full circle moment for me because I'm putting out some of my oldest songs and some of my newest songs, and it just feels like कि शुरू हुआ हूँ इधर उधर गया हूँ बट मैं वापस इधर ही आ गया हूँ.
मेरे दिल की प्यास बुझाओ रे गाना सुनाओ रे पिया रे अभी ना जाओ रे.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ रही है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें.
Was there a track on the album that you didn't almost put out there?
There's a lot of songs that were on the record that didn't sort of make the cut in the end. But all of these songs, I think they all serve a purpose. They bring a different flavor.
आपका favorite गाना है?
I think Savera is a song that ever since I've made that song, it's been one of the most favorite things I've ever made. Thikana is very special to me because again, it's a really old song. My mom used to love that song, and she used to beg me to release it. But I couldn't while she was still here. So obviously there's a lot of emotions attached to that song. CM I think is a very fresh sounding, like the production with Malik and everything is very fresh, it's very new. Always wanted to work with Asim, so Dorian was great.
ओ कुड़ी किवें खिचदी ओ मेरी डोरियां मैं अदा ते फिदा वे कहनी मुंडे आवे ओ जरा होलियां नखरे पे मिसाल.
If you had to revisit one of your old songs, which one would you?
So many. I would revisit the first 2 years of me releasing songs, all of them probably.
So, okay, tell me, so what has been one of your most memorable fan moments?
Yeah, I've been very grateful that I've had many, but I think recently I was performing in London, and just the fact that I was performing in London in itself and it was a sold out show, I think बस आप जब उस एक इस तरह के कमरे में होते हो और सब आपके ऐसे ऐसे गाने गा रहे होते हैं जो कि लाहौर में भी लोग नहीं उस तरह से मुझे वो responses नहीं मिलते.
Now let's talk a little bit about your creative process. What is your creative process like? Are you like, do you write on a notepad or are you a completely digital person?
I'm a completely digital person. I don't remember the last time I physically wrote down something. I think it was probably when we were making these PR packages, like the handwritten note. I either produce the beat myself, the beat always comes first, or I work with a lot of my friends who are producers. So I always have these musical pieces that I'm writing to. मैं बस गुनगुना रहा होता हूँ, and then I start filling in words. Then when I think I have something enough that's ready to record, then I start recording. Do you want to have some coffee outside in the courtyard?
Let's go,
Let's do it.
Okay, thanks for the cup of coffee.
Of
It's
course.
really nice. Okay, so tell me, so you're making music and you're just having fun with it. How do you know when a song is finally done?
Finishing songs is probably the hardest thing, क्योंकि मेरा ये होता है मैं आधा गाना बना के इतना खुश हो जाता हूँ कि ये आधा गाना इतना अच्छा है कि मेरे से बस मतलब I think any like song writer you talk to, everyone will be like कि जब आप नया नया गाना लिखते हो ना तो आपको लगता है ये ज़िंदगी की बेस्ट चीज़ आपने बना दी है, and then like some time passes and you're like, okay, no, I need to go back to the studio. Like,
Okay, that's fair.
Yeah.
So if you had to pick an international artist to remix a song of yours, who would you pick?
American artists वगैरह में probably someone like The Weeknd or Drake or like obviously these guys. Maybe it also kind of depends on the song that I'm making, but there's a lot of like Indian artists I would love to work with, Tilvinder and EP Dillon and all of these people. So yeah, I mean, I hope I get the chance to work with all of these people.
So what's the most randomest place जहाँ पे आपको कोई lyric दिमाग में आया and what lyric was that?
Lyrics are very secondary to a song making process for me. Like, मतलब I'll just have a set of chords playing और मैं बस ना 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 इस तरह से कुछ कर रहा होता हूँ. वो जो ना ना नाज होते हैं ना उनमें फिर मैं like a puzzle almost बस words fill कर रहा होता हूँ. Sometimes I'll just have notes of like two lines and they'll come in like मतलब random bursts of inspiration, which will be when I'm driving or when I'm in the bathroom. I tend to write a lot of music when I'm in the bathroom.
That's the best place, I think.
Yeah, peace and serenity.
अगर आपको कोई एक verse pick करना हो किसी भी गाने में से अपनी album के या generally भी तो वो कौन सा verse होगा?
The outro on the album called Faded, उसका जो first verse है, that's I think out of all of the music that I've released, it's probably me at my most vulnerable. वो पूरा verse जो है is like me talking to my mom now that she's not here anymore, so like just sort of giving her an update कि ये सब कुछ हो रहा है और मैं इन चीज़ों के साथ struggle कर रहा हूँ और आप कहाँ हैं, sort of thing. So I think that is a verse that's very very close to my heart because it's a difficult verse for me to listen to again and again.
रूज की दिखा दे मुझे गलियां और कुछ नहीं है मेरे पास तेरी कमी के अलावा मुरझा चुकी हैं सारी जो उम्मीद की थी कलियां.
What's next after this?
अभी के लिए just this. I think मैंने निकाल के मैं खुद किसी और काम में लग गया था तो I think right now अब focus ये है just playing the album live a lot and making sure that my fans are engaging with it.
Yes. Okay, well, good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you for giving time.
Thank you
and
for this.
In this lovely space.
No, thank you so much. It's a lovely conversation.
Yes. Thank you guys and stay tuned.